Step into the spotlight with kickwho.cc featuring the Travis Scott Jumpman Jack. Kickwho is thrilled to present the latest in sneaker innovation, the Travis Scott X Jumpman Jack in sail colorway. This exclusive sneaker is Travis Scott's first signature model with Jordan brand, combining unique design elements that are quintessentially Travis with the legendary Jordan aesthetic. With earthy tones and the iconic reversed swoosh, this sneaker not only promises standout style, but also premium comfort. Originally debuted during Travis Scott's Grammy performance, the sail colorway has set the stage for this sneaker's legacy. Priced at $125 at kickwho.cc, these sneakers integrate classic materials like leather and canvas with a mid-cut silhouette, evoking design cues from popular models like the Dunk. kickwho.cc is your destination for snagging these must-have kicks. Don't forget to use the discount code DECENT20 to save $10 on your purchase. Whether you're a longtime fan of Travis Scott or a collector seeking the next big thing in sneakers, the Jordan Jumpman Jack promises to be a transcendent addition to your collection. Browse it today at kickwho.cc and discover why this collaboration is not just a shoe, but a statement. Make sure to secure your pair on the official release date and take your sneaker game to new heights with Travis Scott's groundbreaking design.
I've been on a road, I can't ever stay. Blame me for a joke, they know I don't play. Vodka and these girls, I don't ever chase. That's just how it goes, yeah, I shoot so straight. I've been on a road, I can't ever stay. Blame me for a joke, they know I don't play. Vodka and these girls, I don't ever chase. That's just how it goes, yeah, I shoot so straight. Shooting so straight though, came for my pesos. Shawty so bad, but my girl got a halo. We gonna play whoa, me and my bros stay connected like Legos. You went away, bro, I burn the cheese, now I'm stuck in like queso. Know what I came for, know I came for what's mine. But I knew I shouldn't, it's looking like my time. So my fan that you know I'll be fine, but I won't if I don't get this right. Yeah, you know I gotta get it in my life. I've been on a road, I can't ever stay. Blame me for a joke, they know I don't play. Vodka and these girls, I don't ever chase. That's just how it goes, yeah, I shoot so straight. I've been on a road, I can't ever stay. Blame me for a joke, they know I don't play. Vodka and these girls, I don't ever chase. That's just how it goes, yeah, I shoot so straight.
If you looking for me, I'll be at the bank. That's the only time that I'ma chase. All the rolling flooded out the face. Wrap the whip, man, let's do the race. I'm with a stallion and smoke on the boat. Got a new ass, wanna see if it float. Came with a friend and I'm fucking them both.